Tea time. This guy, let's not say his name, I was in love. Yeah. As the time passed, I realized that there were some differences between me and him. There, his opinions differed, and that wasn't a problem to be honest. Until once we were going for some shopping, and I was wearing a crop top, right? And we were in a metro. He literally pulled down my crop top. It was a crop top, and when I say it's a crop top, it's meant to show some skin, right? Like a little bit, because that's what crop tops are for, right? So he pulled it down, and we were in public, and I felt so embarrassed. Like, I can't tell you, it's so embarrassing. Anyways, I went back. I just ignored the fact that he did this. I was like, don't judge me, but I felt like बहुत ज़्यादा गवारों वाली हरकत है ये, बहुत ज़्यादा, It was weird for me. It was quite uncomfortable for me. Like, we used to talk on call every night. I called him, I confronted, because why would you do that to me in public? You know that it's a dress, right? And he said that he had problems with me wearing western clothes like that. He told me, कुछ ढंग के कपड़े नहीं पहन सकती. What ढंग के कपड़े you mean? My father has never ever stopped me wearing any kind of dress. Who the hell are you, man, to stop me? That's where I realized that our culture differs. I tried to explain to him why he can't really tell me what to wear and what to not. But he wasn't getting it. So at last, you know what? He told me this sentence. He said that तुम लड़कियां ऐसा ड्रेस अप करती हो इसलिए लड़कों का अटेंशन आता है. Yeah, it was so. I mean, I feel nauseous speaking about it. It was very pathetic, to be honest. At that point, I was on call. It was on speaker. My roommates were looking at me, and they were like, and I do not blame them. Honestly, I do not blame them. I told him that you should not say this. You should say that you can wear whatever you want. I can protect you. He said, क्या तुम्हारे पापा ने भी तुम्हारी मम्मी को यही बोला था? सर, अगर मेरे पापा ने ये मेरी मम्मी को नहीं बोला होता, तो मैं आज ऐसी ड्रेसेस पहनती भी नहीं. I wouldn't have been allowed to. After that, I cutted the call and did not call back. He did not call back either. He talked the next day. And the next day, spammed me with all these sorries and all. Fine, whatsoever. People can change, so whatever. But I was like very, very pissed. Like, when a woman sees a flaw in you, it doesn't really go away very easily from her head. It's hard to forget what he said. It gave me a ew kind of feeling. I was with this kind of man. Whenever I'm with him, I felt very uncomfortable knowing the words he said were disgusting. So